What's up, guys? About to head to the compound over on the east coast of Florida to do some pre-FD drifting. Never been there before, so it should be interesting. My buddy Laz, Sideways Laz on Instagram, offered to trailer the car out there, so I was like, oh, why not? And my buddy Brandon and Trey are coming too, and Pops. So try to get some sliding in before FD Orlando. Stay tuned, guys. One thing to know, if you don't already, about this place is that it's pretty sketchy. There's potholes everywhere. If you go off into the grass or into the dirt, your car can get pretty messed up. So we'll see what happens today. Oh, Brandon's already got his wheelie out. Yeah. All right, guys, we made it out here. Got a Subaru playing time attack over here. Let's see if we can get this car unloaded and do some skids. Swap out the rear wheels and tires. Yeah, we gon' sand it, boy. Hopefully not into a ditch. Yeah, actually working on his car. Let's be quiet now. We don't want to spook him. I'm not in my natural habitat. I took a quick lap around, just see the layout, see exactly where the potholes are at. Another thing to note, this day I was running just some crappy Pirelli P0s on the back. I usually run Achilles ATR Sport 2s, 275 35 19s. So these didn't really give me that much grip, but I made do with what I had, and the car felt pretty good.
recording me?
Nah, I wouldn't do that, bro.
Hey, how's it going?
That's how you do it for America.
Yee-hoo! All right, we just finished up a session here at the compound. Pretty good sesh. Dirt dropped a few times. Got some carnage on the car a little bit. I tried to feint entry one of the corners. Went off. Rashed the wheel a little bit. Put some scuffs on this sucker. I don't know if there's a rock hanging up where I dirt drop. A little damage. I'll get it repainted. She'll be minty again. Just noticed when this Kenny said that there's 3 Kennys in one spot, here they are in one frame.
1, 2, 3.
Y'all see that guy right
Yeah,
there?
great time.